Chapter 21, Data 2. Data is when you collect information about something. Could be about cinema tickets sold, popcorn, nachos, anything that involves information that you can record in what's called numerical form. That involves the collecting of data. Once you have the data collected, you can display it on what's called a bar chart. So for example, here you can see the number of tickets sold on Wednesday, 140 tickets. Now if you were to display each ticket individually, you would need a very, very large bar chart. We don't have that. We use what's called scale. So each mark from here to here is worth 100, from here to here is worth 200, from here to here it's halfway, so that would be 250, 300, 400, 350, 400, and so on. So that's known as scale. Now with a bar chart, you'll have the numbers up the side here, and along the bottom you'll have whatever we're talking about. In this case it's days. Now for question 1a, what was the total number of tickets sold over the 5 days? Well, on Wednesday they sold 140, which you can see represented here. Thursday 240, and so on. You would add those up for 1b, for 1a. For 1b, the average number of tickets sold daily. So you add up all of these and you divide by 5 because you have 5 days. C, the difference in ticket sales between the busiest and the quietest days. So difference means takes away. Find the busiest day, which is Friday, and the quietest day has the least number of sales, which is Wednesday. Take away, make sure you put the big number on top. D, if all tickets on Wednesdays were sold at a special price of €3.28, how much money was made in the ticket sales last Wednesday? So each ticket was €3.28 and you sold 140. So you need to multiply those. Remember, when you're multiplying, ignore the decimal point. Put 328 on top. Multiply it by 140. For question 2, you'll be using the data up here. Question 2a, what was the average number of food items sold on Sunday? Well, you sold 35 popcorn plus 15 nachos. Add those together and divide by 2 because you have popcorn and nachos, that's 2 items. 2b, calculate the average number of popcorn bags sold each night. To find your average, you add up all your popcorn bags, so that's 10 plus 25 plus 60 plus 45 plus 35 sold each night, so you divide by your number of nights, so your answer here divided by 5. C, calculate the average number of nachos sold each night. Add up all your nachos and divide by 5. D, how many nachos below average were sold on Thursday night? So you need your answer from C and you'll take away what you sold on Thursday night, which is 5, and that should give you your answer. 2e, were more food items sold on Saturday and Sunday combined? So you add all the food sold on Saturday and Sunday, or on Thursday and Friday combined. Add the food sold on Thursday and Friday and then see which combination sold more. So this is what they're talking about, the food here and the food here. Before you answer any of these questions, you must copy and complete this multiple bar chart in your copy. Now you got to be really careful with this. So your popcorn is 10 and your nachos is 5. Where do you get this information? It's Wednesday and it's up here for Wednesday. So for Thursday, 25 popcorn and 5 nachos. So you go to Thursday, you skip a line, so leave this blank, and here for the popcorn you go up to 25, and then for the nachos you go up 5, so only up as far as here. You can do the challenge if you want. We'll post the answers for you. So to recap briefly, data is whenever you gather information about anything like cinema tickets, popcorn, boys or girls in a class, and you represent it using some sort of a chart, in this case a bar chart. And scale is when you have a mark that represents a certain number. So from here to here, 100, halfway up would be 50, and you can change the scale depending on the numbers involved. Numbers usually on the side, what you're talking about along the bottom.